Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream gelatin. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 package of your favorite flavored gelatin, 1 cup of boiling water, and 1 cup of cold water. For that delightful creamy texture, have 1 cup of heavy cream or evaporated milk on hand. Make sure you also have a mixing bowl, a whisk, and your chosen serving dish ready to go. This easy method will have you enjoying a delicious dessert in no time. Now let's get that gelatin dissolved perfectly. Carefully empty the entire package of flavored gelatin powder into a heat-proof mixing bowl. Next, pour in 1 cup of boiling water. It's crucial to whisk continuously for at least 2 minutes. This ensures all the gelatin granules are completely dissolved, leaving no lumps. A thorough whisking now guarantees a smooth and consistent texture for your final dessert. Don't rush this step. Once your gelatin is fully dissolved, it's time to add the cold water. Pour in 1 cup of cold water and stir it gently into the mixture. Now for the creamy magic. Gradually add 1 cup of heavy cream or evaporated milk. Whisk everything together until it's well combined and smooth. Be careful not to over-whisk, as we want to maintain that lovely, light, and creamy consistency. This step transforms your gelatin into a rich, delightful dessert. Finally, it's time to chill and set your delicious cream gelatin. Carefully pour the mixture into your chosen serving dish or individual molds. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or until it's completely firm. For a quicker set, you can pop it into the freezer for about 30 minutes before transferring it to the fridge. Once firm, you can garnish with fresh fruit or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra special treat. Enjoy your easy homemade cream gelatin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.